Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to use function array underscore contains in PySpark. So what this function is, we normally use to check if array element containing any particular value, or you can say element. It is commonly used in filtering operations. If you apply this array underscore contains function, it will return boolean boolean value. Suppose if whatever searching value, no, if it is present, then it print true. If it is not present, then it will print false. If array column is either null or none, then it will print as null. And if you see about syntax, array underscore contains of array underscore column value. So this array underscore column, no, our input column should be of array type of column. And this our value we are going to search. That means whether it is present in this array or not. What will get written is Boolean type, like either true or false. First, we'll see a SQL example. Select array underscore contains, and inside that, what I'm doing, I'm using array function. First, what it does is it will convert to array. These three elements, it will convert to array. Then inside this array, I am searching this value, whether this 2 is available in this array or not. Since 2 is available, it will print true. Okay, so second one, same syntax, but here we have one null value, one null 3. And what we are searching here is 2. But 2 is not available in this array. So what it does is it printing as null. Yeah. Okay, so here what it telling is if null, then the array column is null. Okay, so that's why printing null. Suppose instead of null, suppose if you have any element integer value, I am replacing this null with some 4. Then we'll try to run this. Now it will print false because 2 is not available in this array. So it printing false. Next, we'll see one data frame. Before creating data frame, I'm calling required functions and libraries. So this is my data frame. I have 2 array elements, total 3. I have array columns, and if you see this how I have. Okay, one is languages, new languages, and experience. So these are all my array columns. And what I'm doing first, how to check value is present in column or not. This function checks if specified value is present in array column or not. Okay, this function is just to check whether it is available or not. So what I'm doing, I'm using select function. I'm selecting these 2 columns from source data frame, and I'm using array underscore contains, and I'm applying on this languages column. Here what I'm searching, Python. If you see here in this, Python is there? No. Then it is printing false. Here Python is there, printing true. Here Python is not there, then false. Here false, Python not there. Here Python is there, true. These two, we don't have Python. That's why false. So here we have Python. Here we have Python printing true. Here we have null, printing null. So next, what we'll do, we'll try to apply on other column. So we have new column no, in our source data set. Now we'll try to apply on this column. So on new column, what I'm searching? SQL. Whether SQL is available or not. So here we don't have SQL, so it's printing false. Here we have SQL, true. These two, we don't have SQL, so printing false. Here SQL is there, true. Here we don't have SQL, false. These two we have SQL, printing true. Here we don't have, here we have null, it printing null. And next, what we are doing, I'm using array underscore contains function on languages, and I'm searching for SQL. And second one, array underscore contains on new languages column, and here experience. See, these two we already saw above how it is implementing. So in this here, I'm trying to implement all three together. So since we already discussed these two, so I'm not repeating this. We'll see how to check on experience for 8, value 8. So here 8 is there, true. So I think almost all the array has 8. So it printing true. Since this is null, printing null. Next, we'll see how to filter records using array underscore contains. To filter out students, students who know Python using array underscore contains. Okay, so first what I'm doing, I'm using select full name and languages. Okay, these two columns, these together, what I'm using filter function. Inside that I'm using array underscore contains languages Python. So this exactly what it is, languages Python, our first thing, languages Python. So here whatever true is there, no? So that is applicable to this one, filter condition. Okay, so what it does, wherever true is there, no, only true conditions will get here. If you see here, so here how many truths we have? 1, 2, 3. So total we have 3 true rows. So those 3 will get here. Okay, so because it checking languages column who are having Python. So only Python related things it will filter. And if you observe here, you'll find in all the rows, Python will be there. Okay. And second one is full name, new languages. So this time, instead of language, new languages. And this is exactly same to our second cell. That is this one, new language. So here, whatever we are getting true, no, we'll get only those things. Here 1, here 2, 3, 4. So we'll get total 4 rows. So here we are getting total those 4 rows. And if you observe here, all 4 rows will contain SQL. Okay. So you can try with different language also here, this filter condition. Okay. So here what we learned, first we learned how to use array underscore contains. Then second one is by using array underscore contains function, we learned how to filter. So from all source data set, no, so who are all having SQL knowledge, I want to filter only those rows. So I will get like this. So that's all about this video. So if you really like this video, Please like and subscribe. Thank you.